Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho CRM with LinkedIn for job and sales outreach, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Zoho CRM with LinkedIn for job and sales outreach, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the top right corner. In the settings section, look for the option labeled Marketplace and click on it. Within the Marketplace, search for LinkedIn. Select the LinkedIn integration option displayed in the results. You will be prompted to install the LinkedIn extension for Zoho CRM. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. After installation, head back to the Settings menu. Now locate the Integrations section and select LinkedIn. You will need to authorize Zoho CRM to access your LinkedIn account. Click on the Authorize button to initiate the connection. A new window will appear, asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for Zoho CRM. After authorizing, you will be redirected back to Zoho CRM. You should now see your LinkedIn account linked successfully. Next, you can begin to import LinkedIn contacts into your Zoho CRM. Navigate to the Contacts module in Zoho CRM. Select Add Contact and choose the option to import from LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to select the desired contacts. Once selected, click Import to add them to your CRM. You can also leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator for outreach. If you have a Sales Navigator account, enable the integration. Go back to the Integrations section and find the Sales Navigator option. Follow similar authorization steps as you did for LinkedIn. With the integration complete, you can view LinkedIn profiles directly from Zoho CRM. Use this feature to enrich your outreach efforts for both jobs and sales. You can now track communication history and manage your LinkedIn leads effectively. Lastly, explore Zoho CRM's automation features to streamline your outreach process further. With these steps completed, you are set to enhance your job and sales outreach through the integration of Zoho CRM with LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video.